and it's highly recommended because that was the sad part. It was
Corruptions.
Uniqlo. Don't do this. I was tired of myself, but
Since the door happened, they are fighting.
We're Jesse's friend.
And I have a name. It's Smarty Pants. Hygiene instructor.
He'll wipe your head.
This is serious, Mr. Pants. It is my sworn.
Bullseye! You
really,
This is flying with style.
with style. I knew you through the days of the blades of the grass in summer. Barefoot shoes for the free fall of being younger. I remember. And it's been a while, but I knew it. I knew you. Literally everyone is staying. Human went, and there are so many kids here. I knew it. I knew you. I knew it.
Post-credit scene है इसमें, I guess.
I think so. Yeah, let's see now. Let's wait. Everyone is leaving abhi to, but we are still here. We never know. We might get some post-credit scene, so we're just waiting. Also, we need to soak it in. So we are here. But movie review and rating. How much would you rate?
A 10 on 10.
10 on 10. I mean, with every Toy Story sequel, they just nailed it. In the past as well, but this one, they have many Taylor Swift references, which I will be adding the clips over here. But as well as there are many unexpected scenes that we have never seen in the parts before.
It's much recommended you watch it
Yeah,
in the theater.
in the theater.
You actually watch the movie. We won't give you spoilers.
Yeah,
It's a good movie. Like,
it's
you
very
get-
nostalgic.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nostalgic. But I really wanted Taylor Swift's I Knew It, I Knew You song to be in the movie. Like there were many sections where, you know, I felt like, oh, यहाँ पे ये song होना चाहिए था. But it wasn't, and that was the sad part. It was at the end. I don't blame it. I mean, it's the production and everything. But then I really wanted it to be in the movie and not at the end credits. I think it would have been more magical. But it's just, for me, it's 13 out of 10. Yeah, like I literally dressed up as Taylor Swift. I also wore friendship bracelets. I couldn't find anyone in the same vibe as me. चलो, and luckily ये morning का show है, ठीक है? 11 बजे का show है, and हम कितने बजे निकले?
We left 10:45.
Yeah, we left at 10:45. 11 बजे की show को.
Like
And
10:50 almost, and it was a 30 minutes drive.
30 minutes drive, but we still made it at the national anthem wala time. Also, guys, it's don't do this. I mean, I would love if you do it because it just saves your money. The whole theater is empty. The last ones to go, as usual. So, guys, like secret. I actually sneaked in Diet Coke in my bottle.
What?
And it's highly recommended because यहाँ पे 200 रुपए का मिलता है, 250. What? 600?
580.
Holy fuck. See, it saves a lot of money. तुम 40 रुपए का डाइट कोक तुम इसमें लेके आ सकते हो. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पे डाइट कोक मिलता भी नहीं है. You can bring your own diet coke in this tumbler. So yeah, बस सेफली लेके आना अंदर ताकि कोई चेक ना करे खोल के लिए. So yeah. And now we're just gonna roam around. We are yet again in Crossword, and this time we are actually gonna buy a book. He also reads, not a lot, sometimes. I'm recently in my reading era. I'm actually finding for Windy City series, which is recommended by a few of my friends. And in fact, they have got the digital version, so I'm just gonna find the hard copy version because I just wanted. आउट ऑफ स्टॉक है सारी विंडी सिटी सीरीज. एक बार तो विंडी सिटी सीरीज सर्च करो ना. है क्या? लिज टॉमफोर्ड ऑथर का नाम है. वन पीस
नहीं है मैम, वो दिखा रहे उसके आगे.
कुछ भी नहीं है. ठीक है, थैंक यू. सैड लक. ऑनलाइन ही मंगाना पड़ेगा अब तो.
क्या करना है? घर पे जाना है, ऑर्डर करना है या बाहर खाते
Are you hungry now?
Not much.
Not much, huh?
But
So,
sleepy.
yeah, I'm sleepy too. तो एक काम करते थोड़ा सा बस.
10:30 बजे उठी मम्मा, सुबह 7:30 बजे.
बस मेरे नायका.
मम्मा सुबह 7:30 बजे.
बस मेरे नायका चलना. नायका और वेस्ट साइड एक राउंड एक बार.
साइड है ही नहीं तो.
यहाँ पे वेस्ट साइड नहीं है. नो, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल.
Dorobji's? हाँ? Dorobji's चलना है क्या? Dorobji's चलना है क्या? Dorobji's?
नहीं
चलना है Dorobji's.
नहीं
Dorobji's.
नहीं. चल यूनिक्लो चलते हैं. यहाँ पे वेस्ट साइड नहीं है. यूनिक्लो.
Verramanto.
किसका बैग है? यस, मेरा बैग कौन सा है इसमें से? बारिश हुई है और हमको पता भी नहीं चला है. बट इट्स अ गुड थिंग हम बारिश के बाद निकले बाहर. We are home. Oh God, it is so heavy. मेरी भी. अरे रे क्या है? जी है ना. So good. क्या कर रहा है?
Boiling hot.
Also, this is so soupy. It is the ramen station in Gangadham, and it's veg. गरम लग गया. किसने बोला इतना करने को?
अब बोलो.
आगे स्वाद.
अब बोलो.
नहीं चाहिए.
एक गलती में बार बार नहीं करते.
क्या गलती मैं बार बार नहीं करता?
फोन गिराने का.
ओह, yummy.
Look at this.
Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. Don't eat. Just look. Oh no. You guys are very sweet. I get many good compliments when I meet you guys in my office. So, एक बाइट तो तुम भी डिजर्व करते ही हो. Cheers.
से 2 रामेन लेने पड़ेंगे.
Drinks are here. Iced tea and cold chocolate.
The next day.
Hey guys, I am actually editing the video that is supposed to go live today, and is about to get over. It's just 18 minutes का हुआ है. There is few more minutes to go. So I'm gonna just complete this and post it today. And oh my god, it's been a very lazy weekend. It's very chill, and it's not night. It's afternoon actually for me, but यहाँ पे evening हो रहा है time के हिसाब से. I woke up very late. I woke up at 11:30.
Oh my god! Wow!
I had dry fruits. I had jeera, sauf, उसका पानी. I mean something that I do. It's my daily routine में आता है वो. And it rained actually a few hours ago. And I mean I just made my room very cozy. I just turned off the light. I have my lamp on the small wall, वो वाला on. I have my candle, which is burning, and it is smelling so good. And I also cleaned my room a bit. Like I organized my room as well, थोड़ा सा, because it is very cluttered. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं light on करती हूँ. I hate such lights. I have also took a shower. Of course, I mean शाम हो चुकी है. Of course नहा ही लूँगी अब तक तो. And I just air dried my hair. अभी भी थोड़ी गीला है वैसे. And yeah, I'm just gonna edit it real quick and then post it, because this was supposed to go live on like Thursday or Friday. What? But मुझे time नहीं मिला editing करने का. So weekends is the one where I edit as well as I vlog, which I'm doing both right now together. This is a Taylor Swift week wala video, and even after the clips or everything that I have included in this vlog, इसके बाद भी बहुत सी चीजें हुई है. Like she performed at the TU, at the Titan University, and friends. She performed Love Story for the first time after she got engaged, and she also just flexed her ring. I mean, that's crazy. Like that is the first video that we got, the first performance we got of Love Story after she got engaged. And I can't believe, like, after this, whenever we will see her live is when she will get married. So she's gonna get married like this July month, bro. Oh my god. I don't know if it is true or not, but I would really be happy if that's true. And this day is so close, like there is only 6 days left to her wedding. Call me delusional, or I don't know. And we've also got the rumors that she is gonna get married in Madison Square Garden. I don't know how true is that, because Taylor Swift and Travis has like actually blocked all the roads near Madison Square Garden, and this level of security is something that only Taylor Swift can pull off. So yeah, I think that's true. I don't know. So you can clearly see I'm very sleepy because the weather is so cozy. It is smelling so good as well because of this candle and the rains. There is something about this weather I just love it. I mean, rainy season and the winters are only the seasons that I love. I hate summers, honestly. Let's get back to editing though. I mean, editing में कोई problem नहीं है. I can edit. It's just the energy. I mean, तुमको ना वो motivation चाहिए होता है कि you know I have to sit and edit, you know, like that kind of motivation. And I start editing at least, you know, even if मेरा मन नहीं है, I somehow get very into it. You know, like I'm too much involved. I get many ideas. It's just the creative door जो है ना, which is locked in my brain, that gets unlocked when I just sit in front of my iPad and just start editing. Honestly, I mean, I just love it. Like the last video, the office trip vlog, I actually edited it like whole night. Like I sat to editing at like 12 a.m. and then I ended up completely editing it without the thumbnail and the जो beginning के जो shorts में डालती हूँ, like the trailer one. उसके अलावा I edited it by 6 a.m. and I wasn't even tired. I wasn't even blaming कि अरे यार मुझे काम के लिए उठना पड़ा. No, I'm not blaming that as well. It's just कि I get sleepy at around like 2:30 or 3 a.m. and I sleep anyhow. कुछ भी हो, I sleep. But editing is something like, when your that creative flow is locked, if you're a creative person, if that gets unlocked, there is no stopping to it. There is no one who can stop you with completing that shit. So yeah, this is what editing or the creative part of you does to you. And yeah, that's the reason I just love editing. Like even if I'm bored, like the doom scrolling thing, I have actually replaced it with editing. What? I mean, I do doom scroll a bit, not longer. Like 3 ghanta, 4 ghanta, insane doom scrolling, insane. I was tired of myself, but I cut short it to like 1 hour or 2 hours, and then I start editing. And I think that is something that is good for me because I get to know myself more as well. Like how am I?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Anyways, this video is getting too long. I think I should stop talking because I just can't stop talking. And sometimes there's also fact कि editing करते हुए खुद की आवाज़ सुन के ना I get irritated because मैं कितना बोलती हूँ यार. मैं 1 मिनट चुप ही नहीं हो सकती मैं. And I'm gonna turn my lights off.